have Cut the Crap by Unique Commodities. Can't remember the scent, but it smells like I'm going to be smelling beautiful tonight. Ironically, since it is crap paper. All right, so I'm actually obsessed all of a sudden with this floaty thingy. I know her bath bombs float, but I still want to put it in the floaty thingy. I don't know why, I'm just obsessed. Again, Fizzy's, just Fizzy's Fairies on Etsy. If you happen to buy one, let her know that you've heard it from me. Not that I get anything out of it, but it's nice if vendors know that our videos actually do work to get them some business. All right, I have no deals with her. I've only purchased this one berry product from her, nothing else. All right, so let's go ahead and put this thing to work. I always have to I'm still getting used to it, so I still have to see about the placement. Yes, to make sure it isn't heavier on one side than the other. This is actually working very well, although I do see that I have not placed it properly yet. I really need to get used to this thing already. All right, let me see. Slowly dunk it. See if it maintains the evenness. Beautiful colors. This may go a little quicker than I anticipate because I can feel it. I put too much hot water in here. It's too hot. This thing is so freaking cute. It also makes some easy swirl, but I'm still trying to, like I said, get used to it, so I'm afraid to really go all in with the swirlage. Look at these colors on this thing though. Okay, Taronda, I see you. These colors, look how thick that foam is. Look at that. I still have my hand under the water, which I shouldn't have to do when I have this floaty thingy in here. However, that's just because I want to swirl it, not because I need to have my hand under it. Look at this freaking bright colors. Look at that. Freaking toilet paper. I'm gonna let it do its thing now that I have a beautiful ring around the edge. And I was thinking maybe I should swirl it some more, but it's just so pretty right now. I don't want to touch it. I am really obsessed with this bath bomb holder thingy. Look at that foam though. Look at that foam, y'all. Look at it. It's so freaking thick. Turn this thing so it's facing me. I just can't win. Let me see if I can swirl it a little. Get it to face me. There we are. Look at that pretty color. Let's see what we have left here. Look at that. This thing is genius. Genius product here. I told Unique Commodities that I was going to use the floater thing with her bath bomb, and she said it actually floats if you hold it for. I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm just addicted to this floater thingy now. This thing is just the best. She did say it's a soft crush. So should I see? I'm scared because look at that freaking foam. Oh my gosh, look at that. It smells like very feminine. Look at this thing. Look at that, just in there even. The color, look at that. Beauteous. All right, should I try to crush? I don't really want it though. Look at that color in the, all right, okay, I'll crush. First of all, let me see if I could just, I don't know why I'm dropping it like that. I hate when people drop it like that. I like to drop it under my hand nice and calmly. Maybe I'll let it swirl some color first. So as you see, it does float just as she said. I don't know if I'll ever take another bath without this. Just look at that prettiness too. The way it captures and encapsulates the foam in there. Right, I'm gonna try to crush. She did say it's a soft one. It is. She never lied. Super soft. Like you hear a soft crunch. It's not like the hard crunch that you sometimes hear when I do, when I crush a bath bomb. It's sort of like powdery, see? Very soft and powdery. You can hear something, but it's not that gluk, gluk, gluk. It's just soft smush of the powder. All right. One last picture. And now I feel like doing the TikTok swipe, 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 swipe. All right. Let's see about this. Oh, my little ducky fell over. She must have got some water in her. That happens sometimes. All right, so let's see. The shimmer is honestly ridiculous. Look at that. It's just a really beautiful blue and like immense amounts of shimmer. All right, guys, that's it for Cut the Crap by Unique Commodities. One of my favorite shops. And I am a rep for that shop. And I only decided to be a rep because I do love the product. I would not rep a product that I do not fully believe in. So if you'd like to order product from Unique Commodities, use discount code InkyMac10 for 10% off your order. And that's it for Cut the Crap. You need this. You need this. You need this. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.